Hi YouTube. A lot's been going down, man. Gotta fill y'all in. This last week it's been crazy. Been doing a lot of wheeling and dealing on Facebook Marketplace. Lord Jesus, I don't know where to start with that, man. I made like a 3-man trade on there. So I had a Harley for about a week, and then I traded it for, I know you probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I traded for a Katana. The Katana I had for a few days, and then we traded that for don't know. Can't tell you right now. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But as you can see, it's not in here right now. It's not in here right now. So yeah. That's the problem. We gotta go get it real quick, and we gotta go through it because I don't know what kind of shape it's in. We already know how Facebook Marketplace is, and you know, people really just trying to get their stuff off. So I'm gonna have to see. But let me go get it real quick, and let's see what I got, man, because y'all might laugh at this one, man. Y'all might think I'm crazy. But yeah, let me go see. Let me go get it. All right. I got her. She back. She here. She's here. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little hint. It's not a 1000. You know, ever since I switched to the 1000 game, y'all know what it's been. But this is not a 1000 though. And it's not a Kawasaki. Yeah. It's not a Cowie. It's one of the 4 Japs, but it's probably one of the least liked bikes though. It's probably one of the least liked. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let me introduce you to it. Hold on. All right, we had to get a better position on it, but here we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, it's an 03. Look, man. It's an 03. We got an 03 Gixxer 600. All right. So from what I'm told, man, everything is original. Yeah, see, we got a few nicks right there that we're gonna clean up. Missing the exhaust, so we'll get that. That's kind of good though, cause I get to pick what I want. We'll need new tires, definitely. So there's a little backstory to this right here, and there's a reason why I got the oil pan out, because we gotta do an oil change. So there's a problem. We got a little, it may not be a little problem, might be a major problem. Okay, so at one point this guy overheated. At one point this bike overheated, and coolant, I was told that the water pump has a seal on the back of it, that when it does heat up to a certain temperature or out of the temperature, it tends to deform, which causes coolant and gas to, or coolant and oil to mix. So we have that issue that we have to address, because as we know, Facebook Marketplace As we know, Facebook Marketplace is not the most honest place, even though I'm not too worried, because if worst case scenario I do need another engine, then I do have the funds available to get that engine. So I just have to find somebody that can put it in for me. Another thing, I was told that this ignition switch right here, the starter button, all this good stuff right here, it's not working, so we'll have to replace that. So first things first is water pump. I have a bad water pump. I have to get a new water pump. I'm gonna order that soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I want to look at it first. I want to kind of start diving into it a little bit, looking into it. This is gonna be a fun project. I kind of enjoy this kind of stuff, getting this back right. So first things first, I do need a water pump. I am gonna drain my oil, examine that. We're gonna drain the radiator, all the coolant. We're gonna get that. Gonna get that looked at. We're gonna inspect that, and then from there, we're gonna try to. I'm gonna get that water pump in real quick, and then we're gonna install that, and then we're gonna get our switch taken care of, and we're going to get that taken care of, and then we're gonna try to start the bike. But this is gonna be a series, y'all. I'm not gonna get this all done. This is gonna be a series because on the listing, because this guy hit me up. He hit me up about the trade. So when he hit me up, I did some reverse searching, and I found out that he had this bike up for sale. And I guess he was throwing some code, and he's been trying to get it figured out. It must have been a F1 or F5 code, which is the fuel injection code. So he done a lot, like far as replaced the fuel pump, the secondary throttle valve. He did some other. He did a lot of stuff trying to get it right. So, but he said that the only two problems that we have is the water pump and that ignition switch. So we're gonna see. And then I think he said he cleaned the tank, but he didn't seal it. So I'm gonna have a look at that. And yeah, so yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all watch me do my thing. And yeah, it just be this is gonna be a series because I'm kind of not in a rush. So we do got Zena over there, so she chilling. So Zuki, I don't know what, yeah, we're gonna take our time, but my goal is to have her done by the end of the season though. So before this season is over with, I do want to have it on the road. She only got 11,000 miles on her, so that's pretty good, man. 11,000, especially if this engine only needs a water pump and that ignition switch. Drain all your fluids, replace new tires, because you definitely think those are from 07. So if they're from 07, man, that's a long time. So replace those, and I can see why a lot of people bailed out on this, because he did want to run a bike. The Katana did run. It was just a carbureted bike. I want something for the track that I can use. I want something that, I can kind of learn wheelies on and stuff like that. So I think this is gonna do it, man. We're gonna see. We're about to jump into it real quick though and find out what all we got into, because I really don't want to have to replace the engine. All right, let's get it. All right, what did we learn about the 03 Suzuki today? All right, so we learned that whoever had it rode the shit out of it. You can tell by the wheels. We might be okay because I didn't notice any leaks up top. So I didn't notice any oil leaks from the head gasket or anything like that. I did see some oil around the water pump. So I'm thinking the water pump might be the suspect. Maybe the owner was the guy before me. Maybe he was, So we're going to take a look at that, man. And we're going to get to y'all in the next episode, man. My allergies are killing me, man. Killing me, man. Come on, bro. Allergies, bro. But yeah, man. So yeah, we'll take a look at that in the next episode, man. I'm out. I'm tired. Let's go.